how beautiful this life is on such a pleasant day. Open fields, lambs bleating for the mother, river gently flowing, trees bending and twisting, but yet still living plenty of life. The gardener's weed, but yet there's a meaning and purpose for it. Oh, one must admit is enjoying this outdoor life, reconnecting back with the elements. I mean, people these days just don't know, and they've forgotten what are they missing out on. With such natural wonders and beauties, not too far from their home. I mean, what better therapy could you get than this? Anybody with any feelings of doubt, anxiety and stress, this is what you need to do. Not create more stress by trying to ring doctors and make an appointment and then just be prescribed drugs that are going to make it even worse rather than better. Take your time. Go out. You don't even have to have a walk. Have a stroll. Don't rush it. Slow the pace. Slow life. Absorb the beauty. Learn to breathe. Just take time to look at that. How beautiful is that? Look how delicate it is. But yeah, it stands there proud in amongst the grasses. People brushing on by, just not giving it a second thought. Has one ever wondered, do plants that we look upon the beauty of, do they look upon us with the same beauty as we see and look upon them? Or do they think, oh, the virus is passing by once again? Let's hope they don't see me. Whew, that was a close call. Live for another day, not trampled on, not pissed on. Just left alone like it should be. I have to be steady here because we're close to the water's edge. It's a bit slape, let's say. Hear the bees buzzing in the nettles. Can you hear them? What a beautiful natural sound that is. And if there's a hive nearby, got some wild garlic there, look. Tasted some of that earlier, absolutely lovely. That's another thing I'm learning on my walks, on my adventures. Edible wildflowers. Must be in there somewhere nearby. We'll leave them in peace, we'll walk them by. Can you hear that? Well folks, that's it for another adventure. Or Phil going back to basics. Living in his car. If people think I'm odd, weird, then I'm doing the right thing for me. That's all I can say. I'm moving it. Bye for now, folks. Well, peace and blessings to all.